Hi, wonderful profits in the stock market, record profits in 2015. I'm going to address some of the recent calls, going to show you real-time trade alerts, some of them shared on Twitter, and their impact on share price. And I'm going to explain how to become a millionaire following us on Twitter, namely how does it work, the rules. And I'm going to start by saying that this is forbidden to existing subscribers. So if you are an existing subscriber, you should stay away, since it is not for you. It is against the rules of the company. So I'm going to refer here to some of the calls made on Twitter and on the blog. You have here yesterday an article for non-subscribers, Russian billionaire shorts Apple and Yelp. And so today you had Yelp, one of the biggest losers in the stock market. The shares, they closed around $39. Strong sell since $92 plus here at stockmarketlive.tv. So you had plenty of time. Yesterday shares, they were trading after hours at $44, according to the video that I recorded yesterday. And so today you had plenty of time to make further profits selling short Yelp. So this is according to the information that you had on the blog. Although we don't sell short stocks on weakness, I already knew that the stock, as I announced already, in fact, several months ago, that the stock was going to plunge significantly as it happened. But I'm going to show you how you can become a millionaire by following us on Twitter. And here you have the title of the article, and here you have some real-time trade alerts on Twitter. So here you have, for example, yesterday we disclosed that we had a short position in Apple. The stock was $128, and today shares of Apple closed around $125. And so you had the opportunity to invest, to trade Apple on short side to make a very large profit if you wanted to. You have here a trade alert from one of our subscribers. Closed my short position in Vieira. This was posted yesterday. This was in real time. $1.1 million profit. And this tweet, it was coincident with the yesterday bottom in Vieira shares. I believe $8.27, and today shares of Vieira, they rallied to $11.50. It was the single best gainer on the stock market, with a percentage gain 35% more or less. You have here shares of Vieira. You can confirm this information. And at the same time, as the customer closed the long position, in this case, the short position, he went long the stock. And today, there is here also in real time other tweet saying that he closed the long position at $11.20, therefore with a gain of 35% in 24 hours, and in net profit $189,000. So on top of the profit on the short side, he also obtained a profit on long side. Real-time tweets. The real-time tweets, no one can manipulate this information. The tweets are in real time. You can confirm the hours. Thereafter, you have here a company, market pairs. If you invested in Netflix, you had the opportunity to make, my friends, a fortune. The stock here reports that the stock was up more than 20%. In fact, the stock rallied by far more than that, but it is other kind of testimonial. Yesterday, I issued a real-time trade alert on shares of GoPro to take some profits or profits at $53.60. I told you that the shares, they were not going to close above that price because, my friends, I'm the one who made the market in GoPro since the IPO, and so today you had shares of GoPro closing at $50, and they, during market hours, in fact today they traded well below this price. So if you didn't take profits at 53.60, you gave back $3.6 in profits, which, for example, for a subscriber, it is a considerable amount of money, since here people, they trade 5, 10, 50, 100,000 shares. So this is how it works. Thereafter, you have here other trade alert in shares of Salesforce at $78, and $78 in real time. It was not 77, it was not 76, it was not 79, it was 78. So if you visit the chart in Salesforce as of today, you notice that the top, it was 78.25 basically. Okay, so I issued a real-time trade alert precisely at the top. If you were an investor in Salesforce, you had the opportunity to sell the stock at that price. If you didn't, what happened is that Salesforce lost 10% until then it bounced a bit. So, my friends, we are talking about real-time trade alerts with an impact, a significant impact in the stock market, and 100% accurate alerts. In complex companies, low float stocks, as the case of Voltaire, or the case of 100% of Salesforce. But not only that, for example, this subscriber, he obtained a profit by selling short Salesforce, as I announced, profit taking at 78. He sold short Salesforce and he made 37,000 US dollars. Well, I know someone who made actually more than $500,000, but $37,000, it is not bad at all. And finally, today you have other testimonial here, other tweet informing about a net gain more than 125,000 US dollars in shares of this company, Altera Corporation. And why Altera? Altera, closed around $41.70. After hours, the stock, it is $43.60. So why this? Well, if you are a regular visit to our blog, you are aware why this is happening. So instead of you having a long position, for example, in Apple, that lost pre-split price more than $77 per share, you could have bought on weakness Altera Corporation, and today you have a profit instead of buying Apple on Wall Street upgrades at the very top, $135. So my friends, this is simple. I explained everything on the video. So what you have here, it is a lesson that lasts for basically 50 minutes, and here you can understand a bit about our philosophy of investing in the stock market, how does it work, and at the bottom you have the rules, very simple. For each 100 new followers on Twitter, I give you a free trade alert. Now, having said this, we are going to refer to this wonderful profit after hours. Shares of LinkedIn, they closed at $252 ahead of earnings announcement. I downgrade the stock to strong sell, as in the case of the other companies, social media, namely Yelp and others. The case also of Facebook, that you have the video on the website selling shares at $85. Today Facebook, the price of Facebook, the shares, they traded at $78.40. So if you didn't sell shares of Facebook at $85, believing that Wall Street analysts the shares, they were going to another dollars, if you bought on upgrades, as the case of Apple, today you have a considerable loss, but you have that information on the website because that video it has been available for a considerable period of time. So you have these shares of LinkedIn, and tomorrow we don't have it yet testimonials because it is very early, but the stock, it is down 25% after hours. So we downgrade the stock to strong sell ahead of earnings, as the case of Yelp, and you have a correction, a significant one. Tomorrow we are going to have a down gap in the morning and a party, because I know where the pivots are located in advance. Therefore, my friends, it's very simple. It is like all those opportunities that I've been discussing here. And by the way, congratulations to all those that they follow us already on Twitter. But nevertheless, I do recommend, if you want to know more about how to invest in stock market, there is a free course. You just have to register on the website. And to attend the free course, I repeat, it is a free course. And for each 100 new followers on Twitter, I give you a free alert, all right? I'm not going to address other company results because they are confidential, but I can tell you other companies, they reported today, and everything that happened today in terms of earnings, we predicted everything. So this earnings season, it has been perfect. I already announced the use and the availability of the parallel trading algorithm. And once again, you saw it working in Twitter, you saw it working in Voltaire, you saw it working in Yelp, you saw it working today in LinkedIn, and you are going to see it working in some other stocks because, my friends, I already announced it. It is indestructible and it is perfect. And if you read the article, you are going to find the right words where I describe it as the single best trading algorithm in the world. And you don't know, you don't have any idea about what is going to happen, my friend. So I wish you very good luck trading stocks in the market. Thank you very much.